Your Figma designs need some life. Let's bring them to life with the smooth animations, fast and code-free. First things first, let's pick the item we want to animate. In this case, we'll go with an icon. Now, search for the Face Export plugin, select your item, and hit the Export Face button. This will open the Face platform where we'll hit straight to the Animate tab. Here, we'll define what part of the icon we want to animate using a 2 seconds timeline loop. Let's carefully set the starting position at 0 seconds at the ending position at 1 second to create a smooth transition. Once we are happy with the animation, we press export and we can download it as a JSON or a GIF. And that's it, quick and easy.